Nana. Hello, hello. Starting. I think we're starting. We started. Yeah, I think we started. Let's see. Hello. Uh, this should put it there. Hello. Okay, that is YouTube sound certainly working. What's this? Okay, that's not gonna work, I guess. Pictures. Let's see. Twitch, please. I would like to know live, if possible. Hello, Twitch. Twitch. Okay, there's Twitch. Hello, people. Let me just finish this, and then we can start for real, for real. Mm, Welcome, welcome, welcome to the stream, people. Uh, we when was the last one? A few days ago. Sadly, yeah, 2 days ago. Sadly, I couldn't make it yesterday. I keep having fully filled days where I don't have like 2-3 hours that I know I'll be free to do these streams, and it's getting really on my nerves, which is fun, I guess. How are you doing? How have you guys been? Hope you've been good. Uh, Hope you're doing good. That's yeah. Uh, let's just get this chat too. Okay, that's not gonna work, obviously. Brain. So what are we working on today? Well, the same as last. I guess fourth stream. This or three streams. This is the fourth stream. We are working on a project where we want to get bots for every platform I'm stream to, which in this case is, why is YouTube lagging? Please, YouTube. Okay, stop. Uh, to get uh, live chat from all of these platforms that I stream to, which is in this case just YouTube and Twitch, and combine the chat so I can place it in OBS and you can see the chat. Now is now since I'm only beginning and no one is chatting, I have the time to do it. Then I want to add more, like add commands in such a way that I can have one API and it adds them on every platform. That's what I want to do. Yeah. So before we did manage to set up the Twitch bot, which was great, and we made a simple. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, here. We made a simple. We just start this run Twitch bot. A simple what the fuck is this? Dice command. So let's run it. We do slash run. Fuck, it's not gonna work. We try run Twitch bot. Hopefully it works. It's probably gonna be like, "Hey, you haven't finished code in YouTube." I hope it's not gonna do that really. Please, please. Oh, there. See, and now if we go into our Twitch chat, it's here, and we do dice, we get a random roll, which is fun. Let's try to get a 6. Fuck you. I hate this. I want a 6 too. This is not good luck, boys. Guys, can I get a 6? Okay, I can get a 6. Fuck you too. Uh, Anyways, we got that working, and now we are working on a YouTube bot. Last stream, I thought we were gonna do. Let's just put this on this. I thought we were gonna work on saving the messages, but then we went into another direction, as always, and worked on the YouTube bot. So we found a GitHub. I don't think I don't know if I have it open. I don't. Let's see. CD web YouTube WebSocket. Git remote v. That's it. Okay, so we have this. We found this GitHub repo where someone, I guess this automated guy, I think that's Ludwig's developer, implemented a YouTube API to turn the YouTube API into WebSockets without really need for a API key, but that's on side, and then get the live chat messages and turn them into WebSocket, so you can take them much easier, read them much more easily. English is hard. Anyways, yeah, this is our diagram we made last stream, which explains what we want to do. We have our Twitch bot, which talks to the Twitch server. We have a YouTube bot, which talks to the YouTube server. They will both dump all the info into a file, and they will both talk with the WebSocket server that we made. That WebSocket server will save all the messages into a database, and we will use some, I guess, a very simple HTML file to connect to the WebSocket and show the messages and use that in the OBS client with the, what is it, web view in OBS. Is that what it's called? Browser scene. Yeah, browser scene, or browser in general. So that's what we're gonna do. Today we are continuing our work on YouTube. Last time it was practically all in JavaScript, because that's what this YouTube WebSocket is written in, or TypeScript, same thing. And today we are doing, and we started converting it to Zig, and today we need to continue with the Zig part. Last time we tried to connect to the YouTube to this link, which is this, to get the information, but for some reason we couldn't, obviously. So I couldn't figure out why I couldn't get this part to work, like the post. But then I found about this API, which is HTTP client fetch, where it make a one-shot HTTP request, which is great, which is exactly what we need. So we're gonna try to use that. Let's see then. Is there an example here? Because I did fetch options. Let's see what's in fetch options. Location. What's location? URL. Okay. What? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, let's try that. I think we need a location. And that's setting that. Yeah, here. So location is equal to, what's the location? I hate this. Right? Dot fetch. Fetch options. Location URL. Dot this dot URL. And it's gonna be this thing. Yep. Which is gonna concat is this and stream ID. What I found out between the streams is that the Zig has a particular way of naming stuff. So if you're making a function, it's gonna go function name. If you're making a variable, it should be variable underscore name. And if it's a type, it's some custom type. So each one of those is different, which is fun, I guess. Fine. But I didn't know that, and now I do, so I'm gonna use that. Yeah. So it's not gonna be stream ID like this, it's gonna be stream underscore ID. I think it's fine. Let the rest, I think I'm guessing it's var, not what. Yeah. So we get the response. It should produce that. And then we do response dot. What do we do here? Get video data. Let's see. So get video data does a normal fetch with these headers. User agent. Okay, so does that exist here? Headers, headers. Let's just, I think you can copy paste this. This expected expression. Okay, that obviously doesn't work. How do we do this? Request.headers. Post, session, user agent. So it's this, I guess. That means we can do that headers. Whoops. Dot this dot headers user agent is really? That's what breaks you, motherfucker. Let's see what's the response status. std debug print status is d not this is the weird last way to const. Okay, fetch results. Okay. Okay, let's do any, because why not? Yep, and then we can try to run this. Oops, cd dot. Yeah. We are using the old stream. Let's use the new stream, which is this. We do /run. Union declared here. I need to probably do that string or something. Value. Override. Override. Okay, I'm guessing that's gonna work. Hopefully, maybe. Or chance. Since it's taking a long time, I'm guessing it works. Okay, so we got a correct response, but I'm guessing response to storage. Okay, response storage means we need to put it somewhere. Static dynamic. Okay, we need to use dynamic, I guess, for response. That's such an interesting way. Const data is equal to std dot arraylist q8 init alloc, and then we do, what would that be? For fuck's sake. Dot storage dot fuck you dot dynamic data, and then fully data, and this should be of a string now, because from what I remember, this might have some not necessarily incorrect data. Let's put it that way. Okay, and this needs to be var. Understandable. Some sensitive data. I'm gonna run it off screen for now. Data dot data items. Clear. It's probably gonna be like, you can do it. It should be able, but yeah, it should. Yes. So we get the HTML response, which is, I think, good, which makes sense. Streamer not found. Okay, let's do that. So if response dot status not equal to std http status, okay, return error dot can't get what would it be? Fail fetch stream. Let me just check something. Okay. Hmm. I need to respond here, otherwise they're gonna kill me as usual. Okay, up. I'm gonna return this. Let me return this to stream so I can see what's going on. Yep. Now let's see. What do they do? They get the text. They find the what? Initial data. Initial data is equal to, this is space, and I don't know what this. Windows slash initial data, or initial data space however many times equals to something, and then we get that something. Okay, and then we get this, which finds yt config set with open parentheses, then finds whatever this is. Okay, I don't think there's anything dangerous in it, I hope. If there is, we are gonna stop the stream. Well, let's see. Output.html. Sure, HTMK. Fuck this shit, I'm not gonna do it. Let's see. Did I not? Stream it to... I did. Huh. Because it's debug? Maybe. How do you do that? To and something. Redirect everything to file. Here. This two thing. 2 and 1. Sure, let's go with that. I guess. I don't know. If there's anything that tracks me, which there probably is, like everything, please don't track me. Thank you. Okay. Delete permanently, yes. So what we are finding is this. In the file, we are finding either a window at YT initial data or just YT initial data. Yeah. Which is this here. Yeah, so we are finding equals to something, and then we get this, and from that, and then we also get config from this. That's also very interesting fact. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Is there regex reject? That's like space. Okay. Yeah. So you're searching until there's some spaces and ends, which should be around this literal this part. Where? Yeah, I think so. Because there's this long ass part. Hmm. Hmm. There's multiple of these mighty config sets. Ah, interesting. I wonder how that works. Does this mean they search for the last one? You just do this. Okay. How long have I been streaming for? Okay, 22 minutes. I somehow thought it's been an hour, and I would be very confused. Uh, uh so, oh, one. Yes. What does this mean? Non-capture group. Okay. I think they meant literal dot here. Probably. Huh. Uh, does this non-capture group mean? Yeah, non-capture group. Quantifier to the entire group condition. Not know what that fucking means. There, this is optional to apply the quantifier, but we need a new atom. Using non-capture groups. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. I don't know what the fuck that means still. Uh, are they searching for? They're searching for. So like this and this. Okay. I That makes sense, I guess. Okay, let's see. Okay. We find this first one, and then we also need to look back. Is there a regex, a reg something? Sure. Duplicate tab. Reg. There's all the registers, but that's not what I need. Maybe we can do that. We can just, when we get the response, failed to get stream. If data.len, data.items.len is 0, no data for string. I don't need all of the data. So let's just do the for dot items.len. And then we can do this data.items.len. Nope. Lies std mem index of okay. So what we wanna do is practically UA of this haystack, and the needle is gonna be none. Shut up. Okay, perfect. Is either window dot white initial data or that equals something. Fuck. So yeah, let's find. Well, yeah. Okay, yeah. We need to find this and try to find all of these extra spaces, or find just this and then all this extra stuff. That's fine, I guess. So we can try to find window. Will there ever be spaces? Can that even work? Const a is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. A at 0. I mean, yes, I guess. I don't think that's gonna work though. Fuck. But they might do that though. So they're trying to find window and then see if it's followed by spaces, and then if it's followed by this. If it's not, index of start values. No. Index of pos. Okay, we can do that, I guess. Hmm. Yeah, we need this. 0 data. Or I can just not care and be like, well, I know it's gonna be this. Something. I guess, fuck. I don't even know if it's gonna be that. Okay, I lied. My fault. Yep. Uh, fuck. Okay. So I want to maybe find this. And then see while drop. Yeah. But start index is 0. Start index, okay. Let's index and then index. Again, it's not let, it's var. I keep forgetting in which language I am in. Let's see. Oh, what? Hey. Okay. YouTube just likes to give me heart attacks by being like, hey, you don't have any sound. Did you know that? Which us. I didn't know that. Now I do. So I checked and there was some. So they lied. Okay. If index, if now index, how do I check if is null? Return error dot failed to process data. Yeah. Let's do that. Failed to process data. Though that makes sense for it to be an index. If there is an index, we check if index. If const yeah. YT initial data, YT initial data. If index plus that length. Why is it like this? Okay, like that. And then okay. No, wait. Yeah. Index plus equals this. So yes, it needs to be var. Dot length. After that, what we need to do is while data at items data dot position dot items. This fucked me up so badly. The at index is not space is space zig white std ascii white space. Okay. Std ascii white. While it's a white space, we do in index plus plus s equals 1. Of course, they don't have plus plus. Okay. After that, we need to check we get this, and we're like, if this is not equal to equals, then we continue. Okay, and this needs to go in defer. Okay, perfect. Why? Because we want it when we exit the block, which could be with discontinue or something. Is that exit in the block? It should be exit in the block, isn't it? Like the loop. We want it to change the index. So after discontinue, it should run this, I hope. If it's not equals. And then we do again the space thing. X plus equals 1. So it's just at start, at end, maybe plus 1. Yeah. Index plus equals 1. After that, we check for open this. So we can just do this right away. Then we don't have to think about it. If we defer it, I think it's gonna be a bit better because we start like 7 positions in front, but I don't think those 7 positions are gonna make much of a difference. And this way, I'm sure it's gonna work. If data index not this, we continue. And then we do and index is const, I guess. We are looking for this. What are we looking for exactly? This some space column. I don't think there's gonna be multiple. I hope. I'm sure they could figure it out, but yeah. I'll just look for that. So if no end index, we continue. If there is an end index, we are gonna do this. Var data. It's not config, it's initial data. Your data is const this const UA, and it's equal to undefined. And then we need to set it to is equal to data.items at index dot and index +2 +1. Yes. Yes. And now if you just do run, it should work, hopefully. Yeah. I mean, fuck you. Fuck you, your comp. Your size. Size? Size? Your size. Yeah. I hope that exists. And maybe it's your size. Option leaf. Zig. Options, perfect. Or else return, I guess. Or else. Okay, perfect. Now I don't. Yeah, stop. I was like, where's the if from before? There's the. Or else continue. Or else continue. Yeah. Clear. Clear. Seller. For some reason. Sure. Let me drink some water by this. Well, this is in progress. This plus one probably. Probably. I'm guessing. I'm stupid. I need to break out of this then. Break. Can I sign after like? I don't know how to do that. Should I do that? Probably. While pointers, vectors, integers, variables. Identifiers. Hmm. Integers. Is there some while or something? While. Yeah, a while. Breaks exit a while loop. Continue. Yes. The condition. Okay, while some argument, I guess. Error unions inline while. Okay. Uh, I wanna see if there's any way to assign after the loop. Okay, here. Else be okay, I guess. If you, I don't know. This seems to work, and that's what I'm gonna print line std debug print the nuts. I really can't. Line yeah. Clear. Is it really so hard to write clear? What the fuck? I thankfully doc semi okay. Okay. It show data there's 20 no 300k characters. It seems to be working, so that's fine. Now we need something similar, and we can reuse the start index. So why not? Uh, config start is 0. Config. Okay. Now we need to find the config, which is yt config set. Where is that? Yeah, here. Set open this. SS. What the fuck are these? White space? I don't know why, but. Aha. This is literally match anything. And then we need to find, again, the closing one after it. But this is thankfully much simpler because we searched for this. Yt config that. So for the set. Yes. And when we search for end index, which is this part again, I think so. Yes. And also because it should be like this. So it's not from index. It's from index. Is it from index? Fuck. In that case, it's that. And this is gonna points to this, and we add 3. 1, 2, 3. So if we add 4, I'm so confused. Fuck. So we are at index 0. And this is 11 characters. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Because it's gonna be 11. So if this is for 1, this 11 is for this one afterwards, which would be the space. which means we might not need this. Let me just print debug print a s b. Let's. I think we can do chars. Yeah, let's hope for that. This one, and then let's do this. I think we can do minus one there. I just want to check to see if what I'm doing is correct. Because I don't have a clue. Yeah, I told you. I told myself. So this should not be a +1. This should be this, because that's gonna throw it to the one right after it. So this should be index -1 for the config. Config failed to process that. Failed to get config. Failed to get initial data. Yes. Fucking well. I'm gonna certainly. Let's put it that way. Tu, 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 tu. Tu, tu, tu. Really? 400k characters. That I was gonna say that doesn't seem correct, but I don't fucking know. No, that seems very much correct. I lied. I also figured out between streams by watching a guy. I really don't know how to talk his name. You let me try to find it. Building video editor. Okay. So this guy called Spherophoria. So you should subscribe it because I've been watching all his videos, and he has been working in Zig. That's why I got the inspiration to do Zig. And watching his videos, I learned a lot of stuff about Zig. For example, what the fuck did I learn for Zig? I don't remember. I learned a few things, that's for sure. I just don't remember what those things are. I'm sure I'll remember when I need them. Maybe. Probably not. Let me just get back to this. But one thing I did learn is that there is a JSON thing in the standard library, which is very cool. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah. I think, and I saw this here, parts from slice is perfect because we have allocator, we have the slice, and then we have the object, which is exactly what we need. The result package in a parse you must call the init return. Okay, smart. Parse from slice. Let's do it. Std dot parse from slice. Wait. Our initial data, and then okay, I don't need anything here. That's perfect. So I just got a great idea. Const initial data. I'm guessing this is a try function because it wouldn't make sense that it wouldn't be a try function. And this should be initial data string. I was gonna say code, but that doesn't make much sense, so it's gonna be string. If we config string, slice, string, that's fine. String, and this is gonna be config, and config string. But I'm not using it, which is, isn't it, unusable? Yep. Fig string, okay. And then let's try this. Initial data as any, as ant. Sure, let's do ant. And then config as any. And try to see if it parses. If it parses, lol. If it passes. And parses, I guess. No. Where is the unexpected token? Bro. My bro. I wanna try this. Yeah, shut the fuck up. At 0, 10. And then len minus 10 onwards. S. That sounded bad. Initial data string. Okay. String, perfect. Clear. Is this all clear? Clear. Is this all clear? Probably not. Uh, to me, that all seems correct. Which isn't. So let's try to figure out why the fuck that is. Okay, so parse. Hmm. Mm. Yeah. Oh, I just noticed. Yeah. Cleans here. That means config we start one way. So it should be like this. Because we had this. So like this. Yes. Then there should be no problem. No problemo, please. Actually, please. Smiley face. Smiley face. Yep. Like that. This way I can return to my before state. And this should hopefully work. Fingers crossed. Maybe. Maybe not. Probably not. Doesn't matter to me. Oh, okay. Lies. Does matter to me very much. Motherfucker. So initial data is a problem. Obviously. Huh. I'm gonna do something. I gotta obviously do the unthinkable and edit the source code. Because fuck you. Uh, it's mine, so I can do whatever the fuck I want with it. I hope. I don't actually know if this is gonna work. I think it will. I'm guessing it probably will. It's kind of cool. Mostly cool, yeah. Object begin equals void. So we found an object begin. Recursively. So we parse the token. Type info of t. And it's an int. It's somehow what? Can I do that? Maybe. Possibly. T. I mean, now I know why it takes so long to compile, because it compiles the whole source code, source code. Yeah. Again. Slice. Yeah. Clear. Run. There is 100% a shortcut. Shortcut to clear terminal. Control L. Really? Why? Uh, Initial data is response, blah blah blah. No, wait, I have an idea. I'm stupid. We can't be using this because we don't know what the response is. We kind of want to get a value and be done with it. This requires us to parse into a struct, and we don't want that really. So value, value, value. Ah, I'm stupid. Value. Std JSON. Value. Yep. Brain. Okay. So what was happening before is we put U8 here, which meant he thought we were trying to get the UA. So it was like, oh great, let me do this. Obviously it wasn't gonna work. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Actually perfect. Let's revert all of this. So you have initial data and config, which is some parsed value, I'm guessing. Parsed, yeah, parsed value. Perfect. And with that, config. Uh-huh. Ah, value. Okay. Yeah, yeah. That's perfect. And then put initial data and config. Is std JSON parsed std JSON value. Dot inish like that. Config. Yeah, since we read this, we don't need it anymore. Since we hopefully can guess that it works, hopefully. Print, yep. This should just run it and then stop. Or init and then stop. So not really run. I don't know what it's gonna do. Maybe I should zoom in for you guys. Okay, perfect. So it didn't crash, which is the perfect part. Now we need a run method. TwitchBot has what? Handshake, and then we do a read loop. And we are just gonna have a pub function that is like pub run, sure, self tubebot, and here self dot pick dot init and self dot initial data init. Okay, perfect. Void. So fucking boring. Okay. What do we do now? Now we need to do all of this. Fuck. Hmm. So we have to find the key. This, and then go into it. Is there a traverse? Traverse. Let's go to JSON. Refresh, please. JSON. That would actually be in the value. Value. Hmm. Interesting. Why is that? Why does that exist? Source. Interesting. While true. Doesn't matter to me. So what? Oh fuck. Traverse. So we need to have a function that's like fn traverse. And it has like a JSON. It has a value void std JSON value, and then switch value dot if it's an array. And then a function on traverse or something like that, probably. What's it? What handler? Okay, pointer to const fn. pointer const fn. What does it take? It takes, I'm guessing, yes. So key is string const u8, const u8, and value, and then key is value, value, and this is key. And it returns true. What does it return? Okay, so some t. Is it a string always or what? It's a value. It returns a value. Maybe value. Steady JSON. Traverse. Well, I'm guessing we're just not gonna call it. Or key then means it can be null. I'm guessing. Value object. Yeah, practically we only care about the object. Otherwise, we don't care. Got it. Thank you. So what are we gonna do then? Inner traverse fn. Traverse. What did I call it? Callback. Const traverse callback. Callback. This value is key const u8 and value is the JSON value. And callback traverse void. Yeah, so there's always gonna be a key. So dot object inner what the fuck object object here, I guess. Yes, object dot keys entries. I guess key for key in key. This is such a weird thing to do. Inner key and object dot value get entry index e. That's weird. Entry. The fuck is an entry? Key and value. Okay, that value. If val entry and 3 dot value pointer. std dot debug print a new line. Okay, so probably fucked up somewhere. Value. So fucking bothersome. Yeah, and callback. Value pointer is, and that's gonna be in this case object. Fuck you. Object map is value. Okay, so it's gonna certainly be a value. That means we can probably put a pointer here, I guess. Yeah. Then we can do callback key value pointer. If ret return yeah. Ah, fuck me. Oh, I smacked myself really badly. Switch value dot object. Let me. Yeah. Object key. Object key. Yep. Dot. Dot null no bool no integer float number string. The fuck does that mean? Okay. String array. No. So it's literal just object. If there's an object, go deeper. Interesting. Callback key, I guess. Yeah. Okay, this is pretty easy. I'm gonna just put a key in here. That's like A. Object keys. Yes. Do traverse self dot config and fn key value inline function. Fun. Inline. Inline fun. Fn. Okay. No. Fun. Function as variable. Okay, function as variable zig. Print, yes, but This probably means that I need to do something like what? Fn. What do I get? What do I need to get? Get channel ID. If key std mem equal u8 e, oops, like that. I don't care. No, I do care about the value. Return now. Return value dot object. If object obj j dot if switch switching if a uh, uh, can we figure it out? Hello? What you doing? Yeah. Oh, English. Please. I'm perfectly fine.
Speaking.
Don't worry. I'm perfectly fine. You? Yeah. How are you? Yes, yes. Of course you can. What did I wanna see? Water. Why did you forget your water? You can get it. Also make it roll easier for you. Or are you gonna lay down this way? Okay, then it's fine. Please load. Please load. No, please load. Lay down. Oh, for the pets. Fuck, what did they wanna do here? Blah blah blah. That maybe too, but I don't know about that. But certainly the math. Scared of it. I don't know. Blah blah blah. Blah blah. Don't care. Am I? I mean, I probably am blind. Okay, there. Enum literals. Union tagged union. Yes. Switch. Is there if tag union? If tagged union. Zig. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Uh. I mean, I see the switch. I just don't want to do it. Value that one. Check. Select A. var a. That means that I can probably do object get a dot get. Wait, I'm blind. How the fuck did I not get that here? Get. Thank you. Get. Fuck you. I mean, I can't. Let's do this. Value object. Why did this stop working? I'm so fucking confused, bro. Zig build. Huh? Don't worry, I think. Okay, it built, which means it's not wrong. It just doesn't work for some reason. Why? Let's see. Key. Value. That gets a value, so we can just do get value. Gonna be value. Does it get as a pointer or just value? So it's the key. So that's the value, which means only this, and value is value like this. Yep. Object value. Object value, and this is gonna be okay. Object value. Perfect. Yes. Get what? I need to get this var b, and then var c is equal to b as an object. Get browser ID. Browse ID. I'm sorry, not browser ID. Okay. So this is like a string that's probably there, most likely. Yes. Uh-huh. Yeah, I don't know. Yes. And then I guess return C. Oops. Const. So let's do it this way. Obj dot get browser point. If browse endpoint is if browser point object, and then return get ID. Will this build? Hopefully. And then this is just as okay. That does build. and this is gonna be get continuation value dot title. So key I don't need. If value object obj if obj dot get object dot get title is equal to const is in this case this, which awful. Yes, like this, and then std equal. If it's equal, then return value something value dot continuation. Return object dot get stop continuation. Perfect. And since this is constructing, I can just use that. Okay, I need this temporarily. And then, okay, now this thing is inner. You just call from what I got is like, here you go. For this, we get the key, we get the object value, get object value. If we get it, we return. Otherwise, call traverse with the value an object, and then we don't need this inner one. Does that make sense? So we get a value, and if it's an object, we can traverse it. Since it's an object, we go through each key, we get that value, we try the callback on key and value if we can. If we can't, we just traverse it. Does that make sense? Yes, callback traverse. Traverse. If ret return val. Alright. Perfect. I like this kinda. Hey, you can extract the thing if it's not null. I like it. I think sometimes. Channel ID is const like this U8 and then continuation token. Okay. Well, I don't know. Okay, we start continuation token or something. I guess we can call that. Start channel ID is like this actually. Continuation. Okay. Starting continuation token is practically the same thing. Not practically, it is the same thing. Okay. Dot motherfuckers. Channel ID is const channel ID is equal to traverse channel ID object value traverse this with get channel ID, and there's no need for self. We can just do config channel ID. Okay. Return null, and this actually returns the JSON value. If channel ID value else actually how do we actually we can do it return error dot no channel ID, and for this we can do var const channel ID is equal to like this channel ID dot string if string else not channel ID. Lol. Yep. Yep. So does that make sense? Let's see. I guess it doesn't. Yep. That's sad. Let's see. Parse. Expected JSON dynamic value find stat. 94. Config dot value. Yes. Okay, I think that's true. Like control out. Yeah. Okay. Good. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't even clear it correct. What the fuck? Expected type. Yeah, not this. Not this. Let's do that. That sounds great. Enum. I hate it. Channel ID is switch channel ID dot string ID string channel string else Okay, perfect. That means that this also doesn't work, which sucks. So switch this dot object, and then we can just copy paste this. And this too. Uh, oh god. Yes. Switch valid, not valid, topic long. That's probably right and out of it. Let's try to build again. 107 which is like okay. But channel ID, it's starting continuation topic. Like this. I wanna see if it's gonna build. Probably not. Or is it gonna build? 125.9. Else and else. Else I don't care. Oh, hello on YouTube chat. I just saw you. I hope you haven't been there for long. How are you doing? Uh, and YouTube chat does not show when you wrote the message, so I don't know if you're there. But anyways, hello. 128.40. Uh-huh. Uh, switch. Uh, I hope you're still here. If you are not, that's sad, but I guess it is what it is. Ask. Oh, God knows when that happened. Like you probably missed it like three days ago. Should 60 else. Okay, that's good. And then I also wanna try to get continuation value is get continuation. Oh, this is actually not a token. This is just a continuation value. It's like okay, okay. This is gonna be fun. Yes, continuation with no object. Continuation object. Okay, so this is no continuation. Now that we have the object, we want to get the token from the object. And that means continuation token. And the way we do it is like check the key and see if it has this continuation on it. So we're gonna traverse it, go through every key, and check if this value, which should be an object, has something dot continuation. value of get if continuation return this. Well, yes, okay, yes. If it exists, we return it. So we wanna do this. Const continue the me continuation token value is equal to fuck off Michka traverse continuation and then get continuation token. Std JSON value dot object, and now we have another unused. This is so sad. I didn't see that someone was there messaging me, and I didn't respond. Fuck off me. I know you're not here now, which is sad. Okay. Const is equal to if continuation token value continuation token switch to token dot string continuation token string stir this else return errors no continuation token else and continuation token is okay initial continuation token. Perfect. Self std.print debug print continuation token as top. Don't forget the new line and then channel ID. Yes. That makes sense. 172. If by title value switch title value dot string title title right. Clear run else fuck. Okay, just wanted to check. I'm perfectly fine. And that starts with U8 actually. Perfectly fine. My throat is fucked because I speak too much. But other than that, I think I'm perfect. That's why I need to drink a lot of water when I do this shit. Hmm. No, 104. std.print debug print any new line, any new line. Yep. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. No. Is there any std debug print here? New line. Why is there no default arguments? Or are there default arguments? Yep. So there's no here, which is weird. I would think. Maybe it isn't weird. Fuck. What did I say? Gotcha ID. I'm just gonna check this out here for a second. Is an object, which makes sense. Okay, which means it does exist. What am I searching it in for? Initial data in both cases, but am I searching initial data? I am not, which is why it obviously does not initio. That sounds smart. I figured it out right away without any kind of reason for it. What is it, you little motherfucker? Hello, you. You're nice as opposed to some people.
Yeah.
No, this Jaffa is nice as opposed to some people. Go maltreatire my girlfriend, please.
Hey,
Come
come
go.
here, come here, come here.
Come there. Go there. Fuck off. Fuck duty. I'm just gonna all the keys. And this is totally not gonna break anything. Clear. Now let's do that. There. It's turning a lot of keys. You're sure that there is no interest. But if we go into this, we do find. Sure. We do sure. Return. Okay, let's just be sure that we didn't fuck up the traverse. So what we do is we put in an object, try the callback. If it returns nothing, we try to traverse again the object value and the callback, which makes sense. Nice. Interesting. Huh. Now, this is some initial data.
Do it.
So that's the correct one. Let me do this. Initial data string. cd debug print new line string new line like this. Stuff of exe. Stop. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Yes, thank you. Yeah. Uh, Actually, I hate how I fucked it up here. Let's see. I should be getting that very soon, and then I want to get to see if there's this in it. Okay, there is. It's not like I'm at fault. It's at fault. Object. What I want is what the fuck? Wow, it scared the shit out of me. Browse ID. Turn this. It's probably that. I'm like pretty sure. Run. We'll figure it out now. I can't return early like that. Or maybe I can. I shouldn't probably still. Okay. Didn't you give them food before I started streaming though? What? Nothing I will continue. Did you maybe try another one or something? If they don't like it, I don't know. Fuck. No. Weird dust. Touch. Fuck them up. Let me. Jason. Okay, there's certainly stuff there. Interesting. I'm still so confused like how this can be found. So I'm using initial data for counting, and we know that this exists here. Here. Yes. Does this exist here? Interesting. Huh. So there's this enable runs people. How weird. Else print std debug print. What? What the fuck? You scared the living shit out of me. Holy fucking shit. Oh, that wasn't good for my health. Please stop. That. Thank you, but you made my heart to stop. What she did is we bought a new LED. How do you say LED? How do you say LED?
A light bulb.
LED light bulb, and it has. I'm so confused right now. Yeah, that. Yeah, that makes sense. We bought a new LED light bulb, and well, she can control it from her phone. And it scared the shit out of me how she changed the lighting because it went from being like pretty bright to almost very dark, to like very dark, and then up and down. And I got scared shitless, brother, bro, oh bro. Uh, he, then this anymore. Uh, yeah, I even forgot what we're searching for. So yeah, how do we skip this key? I don't know. Uh, oh no. Oh, how do we actually go to that? Oh, wait. How do they go to that? Wait. Fuck, this is also an array. And key is 0, 1. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yes. Ringo now, motherfuckers. Yes. Traverse dot array. Dot array. Array. Array is array dot right. I hate it here. Uh, fuck. For array items dot len items len I so I try to call back and I'm gonna do it like this. Num number is I. Array items at I. But I need to traverse through this, don't I? Yeah. What are they doing? Okay, but what are the cats doing? I can yeah. I know. Can you please lock me? Can you please check what it sounds dangerous? Uh, thank you, dear. Uh, key. Where's key? Key is equal to. Okay. I'm sorry for scaring you. It just sounded weird. Uh, but what the fuck? Number. Uh, you size. And that string is once you wait. Okay, we don't need that. This doesn't need the key. This does need the key though. Switch key dot frame. fall back. E. E. Expected. How does this work then? Dot spring clear clear zig here enough. Whatever. I'm rain. Hmm. Over. This should work now. Pop, 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 pop. 153. Else. Else. Clear. Let's fucking clear this shit. Shit. Oof. Mhm. Fuck yeah. Hmm. This might make sense. Continuation token. Let me check. Hmm. That's true. Certainly is the thing. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so we get the continuation token, and then on start, I guess, on run, we need to like fetch every 250 milliseconds or whatever. While running, both running, while that is going on, I'm going to do std flip sleep std time sleep no seconds 250 the time milliseconds nanoseconds per milliseconds. Yes, is that correct? Nanoseconds. Yes, that's perfectly fine. So what we do is, I don't know, we certainly do something. And the debug. Okay, thankful that's not happening, so that's good. So what do we do? We set the next token. I think that's fine. Okay. Fetch, I guess. So I don't know what. I guess we can do that. So fn fetch action self YouTube bot self dot fetch don't try. Yes, this is gonna be for now void. I think for now. What are we doing? First, let's close this. There's no need for it to be open. Let's do it like this. Oof. We can use this, I guess, client. Why not? Right. Up. We interesting. Why did that stop working? Huh. Dot client is client, and then we save the client as client. Client as std. Okay, half of my keyboard is not working. That's great. Client. Okay, that means the battery is probably. Let me sorry. Let me just change my batteries because I need to. Where the fuck did I put the batteries? Let's see this. Surprise, this old. Just okay, it's that red thing. Okay, I'm sorry for the pause, but yes, I have a Bluetooth keyboard and it ran off those batteries. Out of juice. It's we're gonna take this one and hope it works. This one is empty. We're just gonna put it somewhere and remember to fill it. Hopefully remember to fill it. Low. Okay. Okay. Restart. Load. Maybe the. Okay. It wasn't my keyboard. It seems it was just the IDE that decided to fuck off. Okay. Kill her. Kill her. Yes. I think I'm having a memory leak with this because I'm not saving the data. And yes, so what I need to do is r defer actually defer data dot day init. Okay, let's do that. And where does this set? We can do std dot the alloc dot dup u8. Okay, and also then std dot alloc dot dup u8. That perfect, probably. Zig build. Well, that is building. And we have our client. We can continue working with self.client. dot. Let's just up. No. Let's see if it builds correctly. I think it should out of memory. I need to try. You're like, hey, maybe you work, maybe you don't. Because try. I'm gonna be streaming for a small amount more, like 10-20 minutes more. Not 10-20 minutes, 10 minutes at most, and then I sadly have to go. But yes. Okay, it builds. Perfect. What I need to do is the cat is very, very angry, it seems. Which is very, very fun. Where is the function? Fetch. Self alloc plant, perfect. And then self alloc fetch. Big inner to back. Is this config ever changed? It isn't. So I can just get the inner to, and this is JSON. Okay. So these two, maybe I can just extract instead of saving the whole config. So instead of config, it's inner to back, inner to happy, which is gonna be not this, but the constitute a string, and this is certainly gonna be a JSON value. The initial data. What do we use the initial data for? Faculty, so we don't even need to save it. Interesting. That and the config. Inner to what? CTX. Yeah, let's close this and this. The API is config defer config.beginit, and this can be defer initial data init. And then I need, so we get a config. We don't need the initial data. We need that in API key app is like this. Once this is if config dot value dot okay, switch this, and we do dot object object else return error no inner loop API key object dot get this if this API key value else switch string key key else incorrect incorrect in talk. But it is how you spell incorrect. I hope it is. Otherwise, it's gonna be fun. It is not. Nope. That would be fun. Okay. In, let's just do it that way. And then try to build. Huh? Ah, congrats. I'm gonna be there in like 5 minutes. Yeah. Equal switch. I think I remember that. Yeah, that's what equal switch. Yeah, that should work. Yeah. This might work. I don't know. This seems like it will work. So confused. Value of type ignored. Not all non-void values might be used. If else. I'm so confused. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is going on. Maybe. Okay. There, I guess. How fucking weird. Yes. And then here to something similar. Probably it is. In to detail. Yeah. So we get the config value. We get this ctx value. Tx value. Well, it's its object. You just control this. Incorrect input ctx input ctx and then self config this and then this and this. Yeah. Yeah, what the fuck is the self dot and the it I don't know. Why the fuck are you so loud, Mitch? I don't know. Let's just try to send one request, get some actions, and be done with it. So it's this thing. Just like close the that's method post. Okay, that headers body payload. Is it payload? The payload is SD JSON. The serialize self dot find dot not stop. Aha. Oh, JSON string effect. JSON parse. Let's see a string effect. Aha. Right. Actually, there's some string options. If I allow. Yes. Alloc. Self alloc. Do they the value is gonna be okay, it's gonna be any type. So it's gonna be dot context self dot dot this is self dot initial continuation token and so one is able to false. I have to do this to keep it. And then I wanna const stress print it std dot debug dot print stress any line stress and then data dot items data and it's gonna be string clear and try to run it and see how it goes. I'm gonna remove it because again I don't have a clue what the fuck is going to happen. Break. And we forgot to do that. YouTube run. There is running let's see. Try to run. Of course it didn't. Because this needs to be like this, and this needs a try. And then that means this needs a try. I don't know. Something. Okay, and that's on run. Alloc option. Okay. Let's see. I need to write, or else return error dot couldn't can't string file. Okay, let's see. I guess that works anyways. I don't know. Uh, du- 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 du. Pa-pa-da-pa, pa-pa-da-pa. Huh. The more you know. Uh, so this is what happened, which is funny. So cutting these to know how broke it. So std dot debug print any no, and then I want to print it as a string and see if there's a difference. Probably, which is why it crashed. Okay, we have to go. Let's see. Uh, yeah. Huh. Uh, uh, what's happening is this is probably getting the freed here. So I need to fix this. Okay, I'm gonna fix that in offline, but for now I have to go. Thank you very much for watching. It was great streaming with you. Streaming with you. What the fuck? Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow, hopefully. Bye bye. Of course, do like, share, subscribe. Discord. There's Discord for me, for you, for everyone. Do join. Anyways, that's it. Like, share, subscribe, follow, and so on and so forth. Bye bye.